Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening po mga ka-onliners. Andito naman po tayo nagbabalik sa panibagong episode ng Jainal Abduradio Talks. And dito po, ang pag-uusapan naman po natin dito ukol sa ating business na kung saan itong business na to is napakabago po ito nag-exist o kaya nag-launch dito po sa Pilipinas. And dito po, pag-uusapan natin dito is affiliate compensation plan. Ano ba talaga ang Live Good at paano ba tayo kikita dito sa business natin dito? So, basahin natin to mga ka-onliners, no? At Live Good, your health and wellness will always be our number's one focus. That's why we eliminate the middleman to make the highest quality products on the planet available to our customers and members for a fraction of the price of the compensation. So dito kapag naka-member na po tayo dito, may produkto po tayo at produkto natin yan pwede natin bilhin and pwede natin ibenta mga ka-onliners. And on the top of the huge savings you get when you purchase any of our life-changing product, we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. So in fact, you can earn up to 2,047.50 per month without ever enrolling a single person. So dito ang maganda dito, basta naka-affiliate po tayo dito sa Live Good na to, kahit wala po tayong members o kahit wala pong nag-enroll through our referral, so pwede pa rin po tayo kikita ng $2,047.50. That is equivalent to 114k pesos po yan. So yan, and monthly po yan mga ka-onliners. And dito we have 6 ways to earn here in Live Good mga ka-onliners. So dito shortcut na lamang po natin to para madalian tayo dito. So, weekly fast start commission. Ano ba talaga ang ibig sabihin ng weekly fast start commission? So, for each person who you refer to Live Good who becomes a members and affiliate for $49.95. So, ibig sabihin dito, sino man ang naka-member sa atin at nakapagbayad po sila ng $49.95, that is equivalent to 2,850 pesos. So, sila po ay members and affiliate na po dito sa Live Good. And we will reward you with a $25 commission paid out the very next weeks. So, sa $49.95 ang binayad ng ating tao na member sa atin. So, makaka-receive po tayo ng $25 kasi nasa ating referral po yan sila. And dito po mga ka-idol, dito we have here the number 2 is matrix commission. So dito same explanation na rin po yan. So wag na natin patatagalin pa para hindi na po tayo matagalan. So we have here matrix commission. So matrix commission, when you lock in your position in Live Good, you are given your own business center in our fast billing 2 times 15 matrix. As more people join in Live Good every week, they are placed in the matrix under everyone who is already in there. Following their enroller, so the sooner you lock in your position, the higher your position will be in the matrix. So dito, kapag gusto natin mag-member dito sa Live Good, so mas mabuti na mag-member na po tayo ng maaga kasi sigurado na po kapag naka-member po tayo ng maaga, so para makabuo na po tayo ng ating matrix. And ayan po mga ka-idol. So dito kapag unrank po tayo, wala tayong na-enroll na single person, ayan na po, like what I said earlier, nakaka-receive po tayo ng $2,047.50. And kapag naka-bronze rank tayo, so next pan po naka-times 2, that is $4,095.50 ang kitaan natin. Monthly po yan mga ka-idol, no? And kapag silver tayo, $4,095.50 din po yan. And kapag gold tayo, $8,191.50. Kapag platinum, $8,191.50. And kapag naka-diamond tayo, $16,000 $383.50. So dito ang maganda kasi dito, kahit same po yan dito sa ating metrics, pero pagdating sa pa-start bonus and sa matching bonus, so magkakaiba po yan talaga mga ka-onliners. So yan. And number 3, we have here matching bonuses. So as ahiyog as a fast start commission and metrics bonuses, all our matching bonuses are even bigger. On the top of the $2,047.50 or up to 16,383 that you can earn in your personal metrics. So yan. You will also match 50% of the metrics commission and everyone you enrolled, and a percentage everyone who those people enrolled 5 enrollment generations deep regardless of where they feel in your metrics. And ito po ang graph mga ka-onliners. So ayan. And dito po, we have here number 4 is retail commission. So ayan. Retail commission, each one of our life-changing products has a member's price and retail price. While most people choose to take advantage of our amazing members for just $9.95 per month so they can save much more with members pricing, some people may just want to make purchases at retail prices. As an affiliate of Live Good, anytime one of your referrals make a purchase as a retail customers, you will earn $50 or 50%. Of the difference between the member's price and the retail price, retail commission are the paid following the same payout structure as part start commission. Unlike past start commission that are only paid out one time, retail commission can be earned unlimited times every time retail customers place orders. So, yan. And number 5, we have here the influencer bonuses. For an affiliates who choose to make market product to retail customers on a larger scales, you will earn additional bonuses on all that volume. In fact, you will earn up to 100% of the difference between the member's price and the retail price on all orders by your referred retail customers. Influencer bonuses are paid exclusively based on personally enrolled retail's volume per month regardless of the rank. So this is the graph mga ka-onliners. So yan. Ito po ang example. And we have here last is Diamond and Crown Diamond bonus pools. Our affiliates are a huge part of the success of our company. We recognize that and want to reward you even more by allowing you to share in the total sales of the entire company. Once you achieve Diamond rank, you will share in 2% of the total company sales every month. And when you achieve Crown Diamond rank, you will share in 5% the total company shares every month. So, Diamond full, yan. So, that's all mga ka-idol. This is the 6 ways of earnings here in Live Good. So, kung gusto pong makasali dito sa Live Good, ilalagay ko rin po na sa ating comment section ang sign up link para makapag-sign up po kayo. Free lamang po yan kahit hindi mo na kayo magbayad. So maraming salamat po and God bless us.